folks, as if you're not already probably sick listening to me for an hour and a half in today's video already even, you join us out in the shed yet again. I am just presently half spraying the seedling trays and half washing the window in whatever order you want to call it, and I don't mind admitting that for a few reasons and on a few levels my confidence needed serious lifting lately, and I don't mind admitting either, as my dearly beloved presented me with a cup of tea in the travel mug. I tell you, these things were one of the greatest inventions mankind ever come up with. But as I was saying, as if my confidence did need a bit of lifting of late for a few different reasons. The fact that I've just sort of noticed, without even trying to notice, that most, if not all, of the tools I've bought over the last 6 months or however long it has been have been put to use already, and I know in the process of trying to hang curtains a while ago, we noticed that we had a malfunctioning curtain pole. So out to the shed we are again, and I know Susie's been talking to her dad on the phone, so I would assume they've come up with a plan between the two of them as to how to rectify the situation, especially when I see her with the cordless drill in her hand. I assume she's going to do this herself, because I do not think it would be wise to allow my good self near the said apparatus yet. Anyway, I will get into using it, there's no doubt about that. I will say I am just glad to be out in the shed again. I will also say, to be honest, I needed a little bit of coaxing or poking or whatever you want to call it out, because not to be boringly repeating myself, but my confidence had been rattled to such a point that I would have, having dealt with mental health problems for a long time, my revert to type policy in these situations has always been to sort of curl into myself, and in ways I suppose you could say I'd been self-isolating for a long time before it was fashionable, but at least to get herself to coax me out this far and do a bit, and you know, even it's only a simple thing, and it may even sound ridiculous, but I think and hope people will understand where I'm coming from. Even to come into the shed and see that some of the seedlings in the seedling trays are actually grown, and that there is a bit of life still around the place. And I know I said in one of the last videos I did while I was out here in the shed that we have cabbage that must be nearly ready to come in at this stage. So we'll probably check that out as well. you know, even to, as I was saying, even to come out and see the bit of growth still going on, and nearing the end of October. You know, it not only does it make it all seem worthwhile, and again, it's a bit cheap me saying make it all worthwhile, because at the end of the day it was my sister Barbara and her husband Dave, and to an even greater extent Susie herself that made all this possible. And she is now, as you can see, well, you can't see, I'll get her to turn the camera around now in a moment, and I shall still keep rabbiting on.
Come on over here, Brandon.
Okay. I shall, sorry, he's got a view of the ground there for a minute, folks. I will go around in front of her so as not to knock the camera off the tripod, which has been known to happen. She is currently doing a job on the curtain pole, which, as I say, that's the lighter hammer she's using.
Yeah, it's great.
And that's not even without mentioning the smallest hammer of all, which is over on the, which you forgot we bought.
Oh, yeah.
The smallest hammer of the whole lot is over there, which might even come in handy for something like that. But are we getting somewhere?
We're getting somewhere.
And all the tools are getting, well, a good lot of them are getting a run out. So I'm not well, I am slightly mad now. Don't undersell my own madness.
Don't be getting carried away there now. Still a bit mad.
But sure, if I wasn't, there'd be something wrong with me, wouldn't there? What's that, a screwdriver?
So it's, I can't think of the name of these things that are caught in the middle, because these poles are ancient.
Yes, they are.
So what I need to do is make the holes again, because they're stuck in it and I can't pry them out. And stick a bit of wood in this one, a bit of wood in the other, and hopefully
join the two
join them together somehow. Because I don't fancy paying for something we don't overly need.
Well, apart from that, you don't fancy sort of paying for something that we can repair and do a job in ourselves. As much to make a point to certain people as anything else.
True.
But
okay.
She sounds pleasantly surprised.
Yes,
there.
we're getting there.
And did I see you? I know I mentioned the nice people in the video already, but did I see you with the drill out at one stage?
Yeah, but I remembered we have not got drill bits yet.
Yes, I suppose.
Completely forgot we need them.
Well, there is one, but it's probably not.
I think that's the thing for screwing to turn into a
screwdriver. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. We thought that.
I have to get drill bits online.
I think Woolies and all that is open at the moment.
Oh, is it?
Go in one day.
Yes, because
Daddy
Dearest wants to get more round up. Well, actually, I want to get more round up. To be honest.
Yeah.
Because.
I heard you.
Because DB did say that if we got another can, there'd be enough to do all out the back. As I see the dog going in chasing the poor unfortunate rabbit again.
Well, the rabbit keeps going near his territory.
Yes, so it's the rabbit's fault.
But to be fair, the rabbit is winning.
Yeah.
This rabbit has been annoying Buddy for, I think it was one night I seen it first. Remember he was going ape
Yes.
2 months ago?
Yeah.
And I swear it's the same one. I swear they're having like a Tom and Jerry
episode this
Yeah.
day.
where the rabbits
Come
Jerry,
in,
isn't it?
Yeah.
The rabbit's Jerry.
And our Woody is Tom.
Yeah. That's not good.
Sort of like come and get me, and then when he's up beside him.